next to me.
Allison. So today I'm doing a college day in my life. Today's Friday. I forgot what day it is. I think September 13th. And I don't have any classes today because I don't have classes on Fridays. So it is 10:04, so I'm kind of having a later start to the day than I normally do, but it's because I don't have classes. But I still do want to be productive, so I woke up around 8:30 and I just finished getting ready. You guys saw me do a time lapse of my makeup and all of that, and now I'm gonna go head downstairs to the kitchen to get breakfast. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna eat. Maybe a bagel, probably, and then I'll probably have like a banana because they're getting ripe and it's not good, so I have a lot, so I'm going to try and eat as much as I can of them. I don't know why my voice is like slowly fading, but yeah, I'm gonna do laundry after I finish breakfast, and then I'm gonna do a bunch of homework. And then at 5 I'm gonna go meet up with a friend because there's like an event happening at school, so I'm gonna go to that for like an hour, and then I'll come back and cook some dinner because I'm in need of food for dinner, so I'm going to make some, so hopefully it'll last me for a couple days. And yeah, that's the update. I think I'm gonna meet up with my sister probably later tonight to grab stuff, so yeah, but that's pretty much it. I'll try and vlog as much as I can, but yeah, thought I would quickly intro this vlog. Also, I forgot to mention that I put this up a couple days ago, and I'll probably insert a clip here of it when everything's like turned on and stuff, but I found this on 5 and Below, and I just put a bunch of pictures on here. I'm thinking of changing them obviously throughout the year as I make more memories, but that's what it looks like now. I think it's super cute, and then I have it stuck to this so I can turn it on, as you can see. And then over here I just strung some of my lights that I had, and then it goes all the way over to that wall, so yeah, it looks super nice. So yeah, I'll insert the clip of everything all lit up.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go
I just put my clothes in my laundry. Forgot to time lapse it because there wasn't really space to put my camera anywhere, and I was trying to figure out how to use it because it's the first time I'm doing laundry here, so I wanted to figure out like how to use it. Obviously all laundries are different, so yeah, I wasn't sure if I was doing it correctly, but I think I did. It seems okay, nothing bad has happened yet, so cross your fingers. I just put the clothes in the dryer, and now I'm kind of planning out what I'm going to be doing to start off like my homework and all that. So I have my planner out. As you can see, these are some of the things I'm going to do. I have to do a thought paper, which basically I'll show you guys, and then I have to read this for my biomedical ethics class. So I have a couple pages I have to read. And then I have to do a module for psych, and then this journal reflection that I have to do for a bunch of the different activities for week 1. That's like part of the checklist for my intro to public health class. So yeah, this isn't the order I'm doing everything, but just wanted to write everything down so that I knew what I was going to do. So yeah, I'm going to do this reading first because I realized for my thought paper thing, it's like a pretty short paper, and basically, actually I have it pulled up here. But I have to like look at like a popular news story like the New York Times, and what I'm looking at is like opioid use in like pregnant women, and then I have to compare it with the actual like what do you call it, like the actual like study that's from like JAMA Network. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is, since it's only 7 pages, I might actually just print it out, but the printer is actually like over there, which that doesn't mean anything to you guys, but like it's like outside my building. It's like not a far walk, but like I thought that I would just kind of wait until like I wait for my dryer and all that, even though it's probably not gonna take long. Still gonna do that. I'm just gonna walk over there later, so I might just do this later and then start off on the readings and all that. So in the meantime,
wake to find your hand in mine. We must have fell asleep last night, just right. The sunlight's dancing through the blinds. The day is waiting on the line, just outside.
So it is 5:15 and I'm about to head to one of the buildings to meet with my friend to go to the carnival. So we were supposed to meet like 15 minutes ago, but like she never texted, so I just texted her now, and now we can meet up. I'm back in the room. I was downstairs for like an hour just doing dinner, just cooking dinner, and also washing the dishes. So I just finished, so now I'm upstairs. As you can see, it's been such a long time since I updated you guys, but basically I went to the fair with one of my friends, and we went on the Ferris wheel and got a free shirt, which is cool. And I also went up with my sister right afterwards because she wanted to give me some of her clothes to do laundry because she didn't have enough to just like do laundry, but she also wanted some of them done. So I also was gonna do my whites tomorrow, so I was like, I'll just take them. So we did that, and then we caught up a little bit, and then now I'm in the room and I'm about to change into my pajamas and just unwind and do my skincare and all that. That's normally what I do after dinner, and then I'm going to probably do my quiet time and then maybe edit this video so I can get it up hopefully within the next couple of days. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this vlog was enjoyable for you guys and you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification down below to be notified every time I upload. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it, and also yeah, stay tuned for more college vlogs, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.